Welcome to our special strategic report. Today, we examine the shifting tides of the Middle East. The Middle East is once again entering a dangerous phase of geopolitical confrontation. Rising tensions between Iran, Israel, and the United States spark fears of a wider regional war. This analysis breaks down what triggered the escalation, military dynamics, and the future for the region and the world. Tensions between Iran and Israel have existed for decades. Israel views Iran's nuclear program as a direct national security threat. Iran sees Israel as a hostile regional rival supported by United States military and diplomatic power. Over the past years, the rivalry has expanded beyond direct confrontation into proxy conflicts across the region. These confrontations have occurred in countries such as Syria, Iraq, Lebanon, and Yemen. But now the confrontation appears to be moving closer to direct military confrontation. Recent developments dramatically increased tensions. Reports indicate Israeli forces carried out precision strikes targeting Iranian military infrastructure. These operations reportedly targeted missile bases, drone facilities, and military command centers. The objective was to weaken Iran's ability to launch large-scale missile attacks. Iran responded by launching drones and ballistic missiles toward Israeli targets and regional military bases. This exchange of strikes raised fears that the conflict could expand beyond limited operations into a broader war. The Middle East holds enormous strategic importance. One of the most critical locations is the Strait of Hormuz. This narrow waterway connects the Persian Gulf to global shipping routes. Nearly one-fifth of the world's oil supply passes through this strait. If the conflict escalates and shipping is disrupted, the global economy could face major consequences. This includes rising energy prices, inflation, and economic instability. Many global powers are closely watching. The military balance between these actors is complex. Israel possesses highly advanced air power and missile defense systems. These include the well-known Iron Dome, designed to intercept incoming rockets and missiles. Iran, on the other hand, has developed a large arsenal of ballistic missiles and drones capable of reaching targets across the region. The United States maintains significant military forces in the Middle East, including naval fleets and air bases. This combination creates a highly volatile military environment. Several possible scenarios could unfold. Scenario 1. Limited confrontation. The conflict remains contained to occasional strikes. Diplomatic efforts could eventually reduce tensions. Scenario 2. Regional escalation. The conflict spreads across multiple fronts involving other regional actors and allied groups. This would dramatically increase instability across the Middle East. Scenario 3. Global crisis. If shipping routes like the Strait of Hormuz are disrupted, the conflict could trigger a global economic shock. This would affect energy markets worldwide. The confrontation between Iran, Israel, and the United States represents one of the most dangerous geopolitical flashpoints today. Whether this conflict remains limited or expands into a wider regional war will depend on decisions made in the coming weeks and months. What is certain is that the Middle East will continue to play a central role in global security and geopolitics. Thank you for watching this eGreen Channel analysis. Stay informed. Stay critical. See you in the next report.